What is up, guys? It is a beautiful day here in New Clark City.
Can you feel it?
Amazing.
In the Philippines.
Got me running on that no sleep. You threw my heart into the nosebleeds. You held my hand and it was so sweet. Like I've known you since I was 18. We didn't care about the time that we were wasting. No, we spent the summer in your backseat with the sun in our eyes, sun in our eyes. I would die a million times for you, 'cause no one makes me feel the way you do. You got me feeling like, yeah, 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 yeah. I'm feeling like, yeah, 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 yeah. We could take it high till we way down low.
What is up, guys? It is a beautiful day here in New Clark City. It is Wednesday, the 11th of December, and today is the official closing ceremony of the SEA Games 2019. We're super excited that we are able to be part of this great event. Actually, we didn't know up till yesterday, we didn't know if we were going to be able to come here because we didn't have any tickets, but luckily a friend hooked us up with tickets. We got in the car this morning, came over here, and today we're going to do a video about New Clark City itself, and we're going to do a video about the closing ceremony, and we're going to bring you guys along. Now, this is going to be the only scene on this high quality camera, on the big camera. We have a teeny weeny camera which I'm going to try and bring inside, but otherwise, if that doesn't work, we're going to be filming this vlog on our phones.
Sorry about that. Okay, what Mike didn't mention in the opening of this vlog is that you guys actually made it happen that we are here today, because you were so persistent and you messaged us on Instagram and commented like crazy. Yeah. You guys have to go there. So today we're here because of you, and I'm really looking forward to it.
So unfortunately, during the beginning moments of the SEA Games, we were so busy, our schedule was chock-block full.
Yeah.
And also, one big problem is I'm not good at talking about sport. I don't know anything about sport. I like to do sport, but I just don't know what's going on in the sport world. So I feel a bit awkward talking about, like, giving insights about sport. But today is like a ceremony, it's about people coming together. Yeah. It's a great event, and that I can't talk about. So we are here at the Aquatic Stadium, and we just ran into a few of you guys. Thank you for saying hi, everybody, and taking the time to take a selfie with us. This place is really nice. It's so modern. Love the design. And right now we're just going to venture around the whole venue and take a look at these new beautiful buildings here in New Clark City, because actually the gates to the closing ceremony open up at 4 o'clock. Until then, we've got time to explore. By the way, guys, if you haven't seen our experiencing the closing ceremony, it'll pop up right here. Nelly, you excited for the closing ceremony?
I'm super excited. You know what? One of my favorite bands in the world is performing today in the Philippines.
Nice.
Take a guess who it is.
The Red-Eyed Pumpkins.
It's not the Red-Eyed Pumpkins.
Oh, then it must be the Black-Eyed Peas.
Yes, Black Eyed Peas.
Cool.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'ma do my thing. Can you feel it?
So we're here at the Aquatic Stadium now, and this, then we said, has 10 lanes for the athletes, and 8 more for training.
At least that's what I heard in the video.
Yeah, but I mean, it is so beautiful, and just like the whole architecture of this building.
It's amazing.
Because now we're in broad sunlight, but still you have this beautiful soft light coming in between the pillars of this building. It just gives such a great atmosphere. And you're surrounded by these beautiful mountains here.
Yeah.
By the way, guys, we're going to be back in Pampanga this week, actually, on Saturday.
Yes.
On Saturday, to first of all try some amazing food in the food capital of the Philippines.
And we will visit the greatest Lantern Festival in the Philippines.
Also known as the Great Lantern Festival, which is the greatest.
Yes.
What I always find sad is when you see like a wild aeroplane just tied down, unable to fly just for the entertainment of people. Humans are very cool.
This lady just asked Mike if I'm Mike's wife, and he said more or less. Almost. Unfortunately, they have no pillowcases. But good news is there's a new video going online on my channel. Celebration! It's probably already linked in this video. Is it not?
Shameless plug.
Yes, subscribe to Nelly's Life on YouTube. I'm actually uploading 2 videos this week. Yep, one from Krakow, one is a Christmas guide.
Let's make Nelly a little bit of a Christmas present. Everybody that watches this video needs to head over, subscribe to Nelly's channel, and leave a comment. Merry Christmas.
Black way too hot, drinking Kool-Aid in a black car. Yeah, I wanna hang out.
So over here we have, like, it looks like it's just a big store back here. But what's interesting is back there, those huge buildings that you can see, it looks like those are the athlete kind of residences, the dorms. And I actually watched the video on YouTube yesterday. Those dorms are so nice inside. Maybe sometime next year we'll get a chance to go and look inside them. Now definitely not, but it looks like a 5-star hotel in those dorm-style rooms. Really nice. So we are just walking up to the big stadium, and it is gigantic. So it's the main stadium where the closing ceremony is actually going to take place, and wow, it is so big and so impressive. We're just trying to figure out where the line is for people that actually do have a ticket. I'm not quite sure, but I think we might have found it.
Yung may ticket na po, sir.
I can't believe it, guys. We made it into the closing ceremony after SEA Games 2019.
Wow. Amazing.
The stadium is huge. This is awesome. And we're just walking in. There's a beautiful sunset. So nice.
Nice. So this is the film. Yeah.
That does mean that we have really nice seats.
This is really amazing, guys. The stadium is so big. We're going to be sitting over here. This is where the Black Eyed Peas is going to be performing. I really don't know what to expect from this whole event. We didn't really look up too much what's going to happen, but I think they're going to announce all the winners.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a great time. Right now I'm getting a little bit hungry, so let's get something to eat. Great spot.
You about to see.